3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to match number 17. Right away, our Blue Alliance robots. Ooh, Swampscott and 190. Both making a little collision in the auto there. Trying to pick up robot fuel center field. Wow, a lot of fuel flying in the air over on the Blue Alliance side. Same thing with red. Human players right up until the last few seconds contributing as much fuel as possible for the Red Alliance. Coming out of Autonomous. Advantage will be to the Blue Alliance, so the Red Alliance will start their active periods first. Pathfinder Tech and 3323 both in the middle here trying to collect fuel to score in their hub now that their hub is active. Looks like 8709 is stuck on a little bit of fuel, and they right themselves right away getting unstuck there and now depositing an entire hopper's worth of fuel. Nice work by our Red Alliance here in the start of this match. 190 and Swampscott Currents in the middle once again, picking up a bunch of fuel and bringing it over to their side. Now that their hub is active, they're scoring it. All three robots on the Blue Alliance side. Marshy Machines contributing from their depot area of the field for the Blue Alliance. 4311 over on the Human Player Station side, compressing their intake to get as much fuel into their not one, not two, but three hooded shooter. Love to see that everyone's got a different approach to how they solve the game this year. Back over to the red side now, 8709 and 3323. Depositing all the fuel they picked up during the Blue Alliance's active shift. So now, taking all the fuel into account that they have on their side of the field, they're trying to score as much as possible while that hub is red. 190 and 4311. Looks like 4311 is stuck in the bump, but they get out by themselves. 190 now scoring into their active hub. It's under a minute left, and it's just raining fuel over on the Blue Alliance side of the field. All three robots getting in on the shooting fuel action. Triple-digit scores at this part of the match right before endgame. The Blue Alliance is on their way to a supercharged RP. Same thing with the Red Alliance. So let's see how the next 30 seconds play out for both alliances here on the field. Human players on the Red Alliance side depositing fuel. We'll see if we see any endgame climbs from any of the 5 robots on the field right now. Crazy action here. There's not any fuel left on the Blue Alliance side except for under their tower. Same thing with the Red Alliance. They cleaned up pretty good in the end there. We'll see how the scores shook out for that match very shortly. Yep. And the Blue Alliance took that match with a score of 372 to 170. Exceptional work by our Red Alliance team. They took away the energized fuel ranking point. All three robots working together there on both alliances. 2 robots on the red side. Human player from the Argonauts was making buckets during that match. Really